Before this video gets started, if you're interested in signing up to be an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to get a sign up bonus or guarantee, go ahead and use the links in the description below. Or if you already signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, there's still actually a way to apply a retroactive referral bonus of up to $700 to your account. So the instructions for that will also be in the description below. Hey everyone, how's it going? And welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by to today's video. So the Rideshare Hub is a rideshare YouTube channel all for Uber and Lyft drivers dedicated to providing new content on any updates in the app, any Uber, Lyft, rideshare news, food delivery, as well as tips and tricks on how to make more money. So today I'm going over 10 easy ways for Uber and Lyft drivers to make extra money. And these are things that a lot of drivers don't know about, especially if you're a new driver watching this. You probably haven't heard of more than half of these things. And even if you're an experienced driver, these are just, there's a bunch of new little companies that are popping up that are specific towards rideshare, since you know, there are now currently millions of Uber and Lyft drivers, which is pretty insane. So a lot of companies are now, you know, popping up specifically for rideshare drivers and profiting off of, you know, drivers in a good way though. So and they're sharing their profit with us. So these are good things, and I'm going to be going over 10 of them today. So if you want to increase your income with Uber and Lyft or your business, you can do these things, and a lot of them just, you know, I guess a little disclaimer is that these things, you won't get rich off of these things, but they will, you know, increase your income just a little bit. And then if you know, you can combine a few of them, you can raise your income, you know, significantly with adding these things up. It's kind of like diversifying your income. If you have multiple revenue streams overall, like, you know, you might go from $25 an hour to $30 an hour. And then one of them might go from $30 an hour to $31, $32. Like, it's just like, you know, adding up. So anyways, yeah, sorry if that doesn't make any sense, but today's video, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I am not gonna, you know, I'm just gonna get straight into the video. If you wanna subscribe, if you wanna give this video a thumbs up, that is very appreciated so I can share more of these videos. Sorry, my hair is like getting really long. Do you think I should cut my hair or let it grow out? Okay, anyways, the first one that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys is, I'm gonna sync up my computer here just so you guys can, you know, look at it with me. Okay, the first one is a company called Rapa Phi. If you don't know Rapa Phi, this is basically a company that wraps your car up. It's super simple. This is by far the #1 way for, sorry, my friend is calling me. Shout out to Michelle. Okay, so if you don't know, Rapa Phi this is the best wrapping car company that pays you money, flat rate money, to advertise on your car. A lot of the other ones I've found, like, you have to get a certain amount of signups if people use your code that you advertise on your car, and it's just like, sorry, my friend's calling me. I'll have to call her back. But yeah, Rapa Phi is like the best one, and they basically pay you to run these campaigns. They wrap your car for free, and then they just pay you based on this. And the more you drive, the more you make. Trusted by Google, Microsoft, all these cool, like, I mean, huge companies. You know, look at that guy. That guy looks super happy. You know, you want to look as happy as this guy? Just kidding. But yeah, and then really quickly, I did want to show you, you can make $264 to $452 per month approximation. For a lot of you guys, I know, like for me, my car payment when I first got my car, it was like 150 bucks. So I could easily pay off my car pretty quickly just with that extra income. So yeah, moving right along, the next one is Stereo. If you don't know, I think it's called playstereo.com. I'm gonna leave all the links, by the way, in the description for these videos, or for these companies. This one is cool. I actually did a series of videos on this on stereo and on my channel in the past when they first kind of launched nationwide. They did reach out to me and ask me to make a few videos, and I said sure, because you know, they seem pretty awesome, and several of my subscribers use them. I use stereo. I don't use it all the time, but I mean, I think one guy who, because you know, I just drive part-time, but one guy, he did screenshot me messages and he said he made, I won't show them because I don't want to like reveal his name or anything, but he was making $200, I believe, a month. So he was making like 50 bucks a week, which, you know, it's not a ton, but it does add up. And I think they say on here that you can make like 300 bucks a week. So I would probably more realistically say like 200 bucks a week, because that, I mean, it might go up because they, you know, they are a new company, but basically they just pay you to play music. It's super simple. Like, artists want their, you know, songs to get heard more. So they came up with this idea to kind of like stream music in a car. So it's like combining radio with music, or with streaming, because radio has always been the #1 way for songs to be discovered. So now they thought, well, you know, we can do it in rideshare cars, that'd be good. So you can do that if you want. All right, the next one, guys, is PlayActiv. So the cool thing about these ones is that all the ones I've shared so far is that you can do all 3 of them. You don't have to, or you know, you don't have to just pick one. You can actually sign up for multiple, and then like I said earlier, it's gonna keep on increasing your income. The next one, PlayActiv. This is a tablet company. They put tablets on the back of your headrests for your passengers to play games, and in between each game, like an ad shows, and then every time the ad shows, you get money. So yeah, as you can see here, up to 100 bucks a month driving with the tablet. That you get a free tablet with it, which is pretty cool. Free mounts, free LTE data. I mean, that's pretty sweet. And then yeah, I think it's like these trivia games here, as you can see, or like interactive ads, driver profiles. I mean, you can like remind your passengers to tip on these things too, so that's pretty sweet. But yeah, you can do that, and then you can see the new drivers can join here, or if you have an account, you can log in. All right, moving right along, the next one is Viewer. So this, unfortunately, you either have to pick PlayActiv or Viewer. Viewer is also a tablet company. Honestly, I would just try out both and see which one pays you more. This one is like definitely the bigger company, Viewer. They have like huge partnerships with like, you know, your passengers can play like Candy Crush, and so like that's like more fun. Like everyone's gonna play Candy Crush. And then yeah, you can sign up here, 30 seconds to sign up. This is huge. These guys are actually international. I do know the CEO of Viewer. He's a really cool guy. I think they are based in Europe, but they also are totally active in the United States as well. So like I said, you can check out either one of those. And then, all right, so the next one is Cargo. You guys may have heard of Cargo. This is I guess the biggest, maybe them and Viewer are probably the biggest like companies. Cargo, I believe, does have a partnership with Uber, and they actually are launching in Brazil now, I just heard. So congrats to Cargo. If you're watching this, Julian, Julian's my contact over at Cargo. Him and I we were supposed to do something. I don't know. Email me back, Julian. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so as you can see here, Cargo basically is this little box that you put in on top of your center console, and then passengers can, you know, grab a snack. A lot of these snacks are free. They're like free samples, and then you do get paid when your passengers take a free sample. 20,000 drivers. I mean, like I said, I don't think you're gonna get rich off this, but you know, you could probably make a couple extra dollars a day. Like, this stuff adds up. And it is like a cool conversation starter. And you do get a free snack every day too. So it's like, yeah, I don't know. This might be more like, yeah, I don't know. I would just try it out and see what you think. I mean, it might be more of a hassle to do it. The Rideshare Guy, Harry, I literally have to do nothing except pass out cookies and collect money. Yeah, so like a lot of the stuff is free. So like you don't even need to sell stuff. But I guess if your pastor does want to. 100 to 300 bucks a month. All right, this guy's making a bunch. Oh yeah, they have headphones and stuff in there too. Maybe if they had AirPods in there, or like those fake ones. But yeah, you can try that out too if you want. 100, 300 bucks a month. The next one is, it's called Ride with Surf, I believe, or Drive with Surf. It's also a tablet company, so again, you have to either pick PlayActiv Viewer or Surf. Surf is like a newer one, and these ones are actually like, you can watch movies, I believe, and like TV shows. So yeah, this is honestly, this one, it looks like the coolest one, but I don't think it's everywhere. So you're definitely gonna have to yeah, maybe you can, I don't know if it asks you where like you're from. 200 bucks a month, that's the most that I've heard from the tablet companies. I don't know exactly, I know they're in Chicago because my buddy does use them, Trent from Uber Tracks Chicago. But yeah, okay, and then, but yeah, like I said, you can just check out, see if it does qualify for you. Or if not, you can do PlayActiv or Viewer. GetUpside is the next one. This is, you get paid, I'm gonna make an entire video on this just because this is pretty nuts. This actually, you can get free gas just with using GetUpside, because what happens is you can refer your friends, and then every time your friends fill up gas, you get paid like 2 cents a gallon or something. But yeah, as you can see here, save 25% a gallon. And yeah, you don't even need, it's not everywhere, but like you can sign up and still refer people and make extra money. But like, if you do, you'll save up to 25 cents. They have partnerships with these companies, these gas companies, so you can get paid per, you know, if it's in that area. If you're in that area with those gas stations. Okay, so the next one is Product Lab. Oh, this is an interesting one. I haven't talked about these guys in a while. Let me see. I need to find the link. I'll put the link in the description for Product Lab. But yeah, this one. So this one is like, you literally fill out I stopped doing this, to be honest, because I just kind of like forgot about it. But this one, they paid me, I guess they pay you like, I guess they just decreased it. They used to pay you $10 a week to fill out a survey. It took you like 15 seconds. It might, I think if you drive for Lyft, I would just do Lyft, or if you do Uber, or yeah, you can check out whatever ones you want. But it looks like they now are only giving you $5 a week, $250, or like $5 or $6 a week. So, hey, I mean, it's extra $5, $10 a week. I mean, it's not amazing, but the survey literally takes 15 seconds, 30 seconds. You just screenshot your earnings for that week, and then they send you the money on PayPal. So check that out if you want. Okay, the next one, guys, this is really important. A lot of drivers don't take advantage of this opportunity. As you guys know me, I love sales. I love, like, I'm always plugging stuff, you know, trying to make an extra buck here or there. None of these are sponsored, by the way. But the next one is, you can make money by referring passengers to sign up for Uber or Lyft. So this kind of gets tricky, so you have to be creative with this. But you can get $5 or $10 for every new passenger you get. And it's pretty nuts. So when you get a group of passengers, the first thing I always ask is, oh, like, if say I'm driving for Uber, so I'd say, oh, so do you guys just do Uber, or you guys do Lyft? I kind of get a feel, and like a lot of them will be like, oh, you know, I only have Uber. And then I'll be like, oh, well, you know, if you guys are interested in giving in a free Lyft ride, I can give you a special code, my special code, my driver code, you know, hype it up a bit, and be like, you can get free, all you guys can get free rides. Your first Lyft ride will be free. And you're just like, what? No way, I had no idea. And you're like, yeah. And then at the end of the ride, you can be like, all you have to do is type in their phone number on the app, and then, you know, you'll get $5 to $10 per sign up and then they'll get a free like $5 or $10 credit. Just say it's like free $5 or whatever, free ride, however you want to word it. And then if you're driving for Lyft, you kind of do the opposite. Or even if you're doing Lyft, like, and you have 4 or 5 passengers in the car, it's like, those are the best times to, or I guess if you're doing normal X, you'll just have 4 passengers. But yeah, just try to like play the room out, try to bring it up casually. Don't be like, hey, do you guys want to use my code? You gotta be like, oh, so, you know, do you guys drive for Uber or just for Lyft? Or like, or ride, I guess. But yeah. Okay, and the final one to make extra money, you guys have already heard me say this at the beginning of the video, but if you drive for Uber, most drivers do not know this at all. I actually didn't know this until recently, but if you sign up for Uber, you know, you're already driving, say, you know, driving for a few weeks or a few months, a few years, whatever, and you never got your sign-up bonus because you never knew anyone, or, you know, you didn't know about the sign-up bonus, there's actually a way to retroactively apply a sign-up bonus to your account. So this is the 10th and final way to make extra money, is use my, sorry guys, this one, you know, I am plugging it, use my, the instructions in the description, and it'll walk you through how to get your sign-up bonus. And that, if you use my code, you know, just, it's like a thank you for, you know, I don't usually ask for anything on this channel, but if you use my codes, I guess like that does, you know, I do get a little bit of money on that, although it's not great. It's just like, I guess, side money for me so I can pay for college and stuff. But yeah, I don't know why I told you that I use it to pay for college. Too much information, Dylan. Okay. But yeah, all right guys, those are the 10 ways to make extra money as an Uber and a Lyft driver. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video on Uber and Lyft. And yeah, get out there guys, make some money, stay safe, and yeah, you guys rock. I'll talk to y'all soon. All right, bye guys.